Is this good? Is it? Oh, no, not yet. Alright, I think I did it. I think we're good. Okay, so, like I said, two big names this morning are USO and UCO. UCO did a 25-1 split yesterday, and USO is like a day away from getting SEC clearing approval to like issue new shares. There's been some big shit happening in crude, like stuff's up 15%, 20% this morning. So I'm gonna pull out the good old reliable CNBC because they're talking about it, and I think that kind of matters. So we're gonna see this, see if this works. Yeah, okay, cool. This is gonna be kind of important because I don't know what they're gonna do about this oil stuff, but it's gonna seriously affect USO. So USO's got a NAV right now of 206. I don't know if that's gonna stay at 206 when it opens, but their NAV is like 30% below par. I mean, it's crazy. Or spot. I don't know. The pre's up huge. So yeah. ENLCK is also another one I want to maybe watch today. ENLC. These guys are gonna be up fat. I got 3 calls on them for like a penny, and I think this could be really kind of nice. Like if these things can go to like 30 cents today. It's a little bit easier to map these out in Yahoo Finance just because they are really, really, really kind of more swing trades more than anything else. So, okay. Here's the first thing I'm looking at. It says ELNLC. For me, like, I kind of want to hold this till it gets to like 3. You've got really good convergence here on the 13 and then 30. So I'm thinking these will cross over and this thing will bull run until like May 15th, and they could go to like 3, and that should be like a 5,000,000% return. So that would be pretty nice. So I'm not gonna close that today because it is going my way. These guys aren't like direct in oil. They're a little bit different. They're like midstream pipeline. And basically these guys are ones that transport the oil and that sell it and that frack it. And this transportation part right here is going to be big because everybody's trying to get crude oil or trying to get natural gas or whatever. It's like literally negative, right? They're getting paid to take physical delivery. And so I know for a fact that because everyone's trying to get physical delivery of these commodities, because it's like, oh, it's so cheap, that this could be a really high growth potential position because the people that store the resources are the ones making all the money here. The people that have cruise ships that are supposed to ship the oil are literally getting paid to just sit on a dock and hold gallons and tons of oil. So I'm gonna hold ENLC, and we'll get to oil in a sec. I want to focus on BSGM right now though. My target on this trade is like 8. I mean, it's like it can go aggressive or you can go conservative, right? So if you go aggressive, then you're looking at like 9-ish, maybe 850. If you go conservative, you're looking at about 7, 8. I like 8 as a target on this. I do. I like 8 as a target. Expiration's May 15. The only other thing is the VIX right now. Yeah, so here's Roku. I don't really know. Like, these guys will probably go down. They might go up. I don't know. That's a hard call. The whole argument about people staying at home is pretty valid. Apple's up 2% in the pre. Ugh, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. It's okay though. I did 70% on them yesterday. It's probably be a 30, 40, 50. It hurts. What about AMD? We went from about 3 to 6 yesterday. 3 to 5. I'm in at 3 at 8. Snapchat. Wow, they crushed it. I wasn't expecting them to. I saw dark pool trades on them like 2 days ago, and I was like, shit, someone just sold them, but apparently they were buying them. Smart dudes. And there is a lot of options on TDoc and AMC. It's OTC on AMC, but I do kind of want to pull both of those up because I think they could move. And then obviously Tesla's gonna move like a big boy. Look at that shit, -47 to 9. It's crazy. What's the last one? Tesla. Tesla's last one. Want Tesla? I don't want that. I probably want that. Hey Jake.
Hey John. I'm looking at TOL.
Oh, Toll?
Yeah, I'm thinking the options actually look pretty good for puts.
What, like June?
I'm thinking May or June. So what we're looking at here is, I think they're trading in that channel there, and they're at the bottom. If they drop out, I'm thinking they go back to 13.
You mean on? Oh yeah.
And the $20 strike prices for May are only going for like $2.
No shit, dude. That's good upside. That's really good upside.
Yeah, so I'm thinking even if they go to like 15. Which is only $5, you know. That's...
Dude, they wouldn't go to 15. They would go to like 12 or 10.
Yeah, I was thinking 13.
Yeah.
That channel there, I mean
that's so.
Well, I mean long term.
Dude, there's some. What's up?
I'm gonna figure out what I'm doing with Snapchat here.
Oh, yeah. You in the stock?
I paid like $14.96, so I gotta maybe I get out of my position today.
Well, yeah. I mean, they're at 15 too.
Yeah, get out flat and. You know, because it's a big position, but I just don't know if they'll keep going up.
I mean, there is like a global recession and stuff.
Yeah, so I'm thinking I'll probably just get out. Maybe you think they're gonna get upgraded a lot probably because of good earnings.
I mean, yeah. What do you mean?
So they might go up throughout the day, maybe.
I mean, you can always out half.
Yeah. Well, I have 100 shares, so I'll see.
Gotcha.
But they did miss on the EPS and stuff. I don't know why. I guess the revenue was good.
Well, there's less advertisers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're going up strong into the open, so we'll see what they do. I'll be ready to sell that.
Yeah, that's your call.
Alright, we'll see.
I might partial close BSGM if they get to like 8 today or like 7-7.
Yes.
And
well, they're gonna be up again, it looks like.
Yeah.
Yesterday, I think I'm even on my options, maybe a little bit down.
What?
I mean, I'm not up yet on the option contracts.
Oh, well, you'll be up this morning.
Yeah, hopefully.
What'd you in at in inherent price?
I paid, let me check.
What was the stock?
Huh?
What was the stock?
BSGM.
Yeah, what price?
5.
Oh, okay.
It was a $5 one, so let me see what I paid for it. 170.
Okay.
You probably paid 150.
Yeah, I paid 150.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. So I'm just down a little bit. I'm thinking they'll go up to what, $2 maybe today?
Yeah, 2 or 3.
Okay.
The 750s are where most of the money is.
Oh yeah. That was aggressive though.
I did half and half. Dude, there's some big shit coming out with USO and UCO. UCO did a 25-to-1 reverse split yesterday, and USO's got SEC papers filing to issue billions of shares today at market close.
USO, what's that?
They're all oil, so they're ETFs based off of futures based on oil.
Okay.
They're like triple derivatives. And NAV on USO right now is 30% below spot.
Damn, you have so many charts you're looking at.
Yeah.
3. All right, we'll see what the snap does.
I'm trying to figure out, like, USO puts are the play. Because SPY looks like it's going to tank after the open. Because I got a lot of people trading USO at 289. I got a shit ton of people trading USO at 289. That's like 10 million, 20 million. I just had about 40, 60 million sold on Snap at 519.
Yeah, I sold half.
Okay.
$15.3.
Gotcha. Yeah, dude, I got more people selling USO. I'm gonna buy puts.
Alright, I'll check them out. Yeah, I'll buy Snapchat if it goes back to $4.
Right.
I doubt it. Maybe $8.
Right.
Dude, SPPI. I remember I traded them.
Yeah.
I paid. Let's see. What did I pay? No fucking way. 21. I paid a share. Now they're $2.
Whoa.
I remember we looked at them in some class. They went to shit.
Yeah.
That was terrible.
Wait, you didn't have a stop?
No.
Ugh.
I didn't know what a stop loss was back then.
Oh no. Damn.
Okay, let's check out TOL. Let's see what those toll contracts went to.
Okay.
Yeah, the $20 puts are now $1.50. It looks like.
How much up is that?
For the 22nd of May?
Yeah.
Alright, let me check it out. Doesn't say.
Okay.
I don't know where you find that at.
One second. Yeah, the puts are down like 50% today.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. Hey, so I just saw like hundreds of millions of USO get sold this morning. So I like got in on puts.
I'm getting in right now.
I'm doing a tight stop because I don't like how it's running right now.
Is that David? I forgot his name.
Yeah. Is Matthew.
Okay, Yep. Hey, what do you think about TOL puts?
Let me see. I have not seen a TOL. What chart are you looking at?
Just
What are you like thinking about?
I'm thinking they could. I mean, they do a lot with like house building, so I'm thinking they go back to like $13. Not. I'm talking about in the next like 2 months.
Yeah. I could really see that if that's all they're doing.
You pay like $1.50 for the $20 strikes, and if they go to 13, they'll be worth $7. So.
Wow.
But if we get this recession that everyone's talking about, then it will. But I don't know.
Right. But I mean, still, nobody's voting right now, not even the super wealthy. So, yeah, it might not hit 13, but it would go lower. Even without a recession. Look at these U.S. outputs real quick.
USO?
Yeah.
They're already down a bunch, so...
You bought puts on them?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think they're going to, like 5 cents?
Dude, the underlying assets they hold are worth negative.
Yeah, John, you looking at May 8 still, or 15?
I did 15.
Okay. 2.5 and 2, maybe.
Yeah, I did 2.5. They're tighter.
Yeah.
Everything I see here is people trading at like 290. So 290 is the big level. And yeah, like I said, Jake, a lot of people cut Snap at 519 this morning, so it could have been a buying. I don't know. I doubt it, but I could be wrong.
Did you see that drop in Biosig for
yeah, it's dropping in the morning. I'm just gonna, what's the ticker? BSGM. It's coming back. As long as it stays above 6. 6 was my like notification thing. Yeah. It looks nice, so.
It does, yeah, I'm liking it.
How much are the contracts up?
The contract
$5 right now.
Yeah, mine are up about 20%.
Yeah, 10% for me right now.
What'd you think on Toll?
I mean, I just based on business, like, that is completely valid, I think. I don't know what they're doing right now. Like, nobody's building anything. There's nothing to build.
Wait, actually, let me get my guy. He knows real estate. Let me add him to the call.
Okay.
I gotta remember his name. What's his name? Forgot his name.
How is Shopify up 7% again?
Wait, they're up 7%? Oh. Oh my god.
Because the SPY drops out of this wedge right here.
Yeah, no, they're totally going lower. It's definitely gonna drop down.
Fuck, I hate that.
Dude, there's a lot of people betting on Friday Apple calls.
Look at the time in sales for like the 700 level on Tesla. They say every time you get to like the next $100, it's big.
Yeah, that looks really nice, dude. Not gonna lie. Could go to like 690. SPY looks like it's more upward than sideways. Or symmetrical.
Yeah, going down.
Yeah.
I'll wait till Tesla goes back to 710 and get it. Or wait, I'll see what the 2.5.
Dude, I got a lot of people buying like 150 puts on AMC expiring Friday. Or wait, no, expiring in a month. Oh, well that doesn't count. Never mind.
Fuck, I didn't get filled.
Rip.
Piece of shit.
I'm gonna up the USO stop. And then just leave it. Okay, well yeah, there's shit. How much is that? Dude, Kyle was in Boeing puts yesterday. They're Boeing short equity.
Your call has been forwarded to an audit.
Dude, how much are those contracts moving on Tesla? What is that?
They just went up from 22 to 25.
Oh, okay. Well, it's pretty solid. BSGM just broke VWAP, dude. I'm watching this thing. If it hits 7.7, I'm out. These guys usually max out at 10.15. At least they did yesterday. I think UCO is about to drop out. Or USO, sorry. I mean, they're both the same, but you know what I mean.
Yeah, yeah.
Big boy crude oil just had a fatty hammer. You think this is an entry on Tesla?
Yeah, I got in another one.
Oh, no fucking shit, dude. SPY's going to 27654. Would you get filled at?
Hold on.
Alright.
23.30.
Okay. At 703?
702 and a half puts.
That's good.
I'm gonna wait, and we'll see. Yeah, that's always good to buy, like on that retracement. But a SPY, I mean, they hit their target off that wedge.
Oh, off the wedge, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
I got out.
Okay.
You can play the spread so well on Tesla, dude. Holy shit.
No shit. Dude, that's cool. Hey, what do you guys think? I've been holding ENLC 619 calls for a while now.
Who?
ENLC?
Alright, I'll check. While I'm checking that, check Shopify Head and Shoulders.
Oh, I love it! Dude, that's a fatty right there. That's super good. I would short that like right now. Stop at 6217 fun. Forget what I said. That's more important. Targets lower VWAP. Yeah, dude, that's nice. That's really nice. SPY just dropped out too, dude. Holy hell. If I had day trades, man, that would be it. That is really nice. Holy shit, you see USO!
Nope, what's happening?
You see that?
Oh, I like that. I like that.
Dude, I don't like that candle on shop. It's gotta stay below VWAP.
Oh.
Dude, that's some fat money. Like shop, like this better be like the high on the 1 minute. Cause USO, they're doing, or UCO's doing the same thing. Jake, are you gonna do a trade on shop?
I haven't got in yet.
Not yet? Okay. That's good. No, you're good. That's solid.
I would do the 610 puts probably.
Yeah, that makes the most sense. So go to 607, 608. As long as SPY doesn't do a W, that's the only thing that could screw you over. Matthew, are you in oil?
Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah.
Okay, I'll watch oil. Can you do me a favor? Look at ENLC.
Yeah. Let me get PNLC.
Yeah. Also, dude, someone just did like $1 million in Ford at $5.
Someone just bought.
I don't know. Let's see. What's the stock look like? Someone just. I think someone just sold.
That's not surprising. Well, that would be good for me. These contracts are expiring real soon.
Are they puts or calls?
Puts.
Oh, okay. Then that's good. That's really good. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, we're getting close. Down to the wire. Come on. I didn't think I was off that much.
They expire on Friday?
Yeah.
Oh!
We are approaching critical mass.
Dude, I think this is a second shoulder wedge on shop. Yeah, that's it right there, dude. That's the short. You buy that shit, hold it to like 607. It's not a big percent game, but it's a solid setup. What?
Doesn't start playing with my laptop.
Dude, if you can get filled on the ask on shop, that's like 10% in spread. Almost 20%. Dude, good call on shop, Jake. Thanks, dude. I'll probably out a quarter on that hammer candle. At like 26, 27 a contract. Assuming you got filled at 25 on 610. I'm probably out another quarter at 25, 30, 26. It's got a really far spread. I would hold the other half. Dude, there's some big boys playing with Inovio. Let's see. Alexa, that's like 5 million.
Sorry, I don't know that.
And Innovio's in the same sector as BSGM. And they're going up fat, dude. I mean, they're really going up. Jake, you in shop?
Yeah,
Nice. You in full?
I just have one contract.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, if you only have one contract, you just hold the target and pray that Spy reverses. You see that like trend line from the top to where it's at?
Yeah.
I would just stop if it breaks out of that.
Okay.
But you've got, I mean, that's solid. That's solid. You just don't want it to go red, green, red. Or green, red, green. Because that was like a hammer at 57. Jake, I love your TA, man. I love it. I think this might not work. Spy is going too fast, too hard. But then again, shop is inversely correlated. We've established that. Are you still holding?
Yeah.
'Cause you're a god! What'd you get filled at?
Terrible. 26.
You got filled at 26? Fuck. Was that a buy on the ask? What was that?
Yeah. I'll see what they do here.
Well, they're solid, dude. They validated. Just do a stop at BE on the ask. Or I guess BE on the bid. I don't know. But you're solid. I mean, that's valid. Probably get like 32 from
I
it.
need them to go to like 610.
Yeah, no, 6. Wait, what?
Shop to go to like 610. They won't go below 612.
Yeah, no, they should go to 607. Yeah, 607. Matthew,
Huh?
what contracts did you do?
Oh, sorry. Let me see. I did 2.5. I was filled at 49 cents.
For what strike date thingy?
May 15th. 2.5.
No shit, you got filled at 49.
Yeah.
Damn, very impressive.
I know, got in.
Yeah.
For ENLC, I'm seeing. I'm looking at the weekly, or the 1 month.
It's straight down.
Yeah, it's like there's nothing good. But I mean, yeah. Talking in terms of like what they're actually going to be doing in the next few months. They don't build storage; they just like maintain it. So I guess they.
Oh, they
would,
maintain storage? I thought it was only in paper assets.
No, they mentioned that they actually do stuff. Let me make sure. Maybe they don't.
Yeah, I would double check that real quick. Jake, I would totally oust that shit at like 30. Because it's at Target right now. I don't know how they're not at 30.
Yeah, I got out.
What'd you get out at?
27.
Hey man, good job.
That's a tough
Oh,
one.
you're dang right.
It's all because of spreads.
Yeah, it is. It was a bad fill. It's not a big deal. So what is it? Is it all paper assets?
Yeah, you're right.
Okay. So that gives them
They
an...
have I mean, like they have a network of pipelines and trucks, but like
They own pipelines?
yeah, but all they're doing is moving products from like places to places.
Well, that's really valuable. That's important. So how much of their business, or how much of it is that? Because I thought it was just a futures trust.
I don't know. Let me try and find out.
This is a perfect time to be researching annual reports right after we buy the stock.
Yeah, really. I don't want 2018.
Dude, these guys are freaking exempt from income taxes. I'm pretty sure that they're just a trust. Yeah, because it says in their prospectus that it's mostly just forward swap contracts and futures that are collateralized with cash.
Okay. I mean, check out their website. One of the first things they say is that they use their pipelines to trucking fleet. So they're actually moving product.
What website?
Yeah, I'll send it to you.
Okay. Thanks. Yo, Jake, good call, dude. All the liquidity just got sucked right out of Shopify.
Yeah, it's tough. Yeah. Tesla's much easier.
Yeah, I agree. That was a good call on the M. Did you get in on that?
Yeah.
And you got out when they dropped it 947?
I got out when they hit 695.
Damn, that's impressive. The first time it hit that?
Yeah. on the hammer.
Wow, dude, great timing. Holy crap. Yeah, wow.
And then I got back in when they went to VWAP. Remember I told you was
Yeah.
a retracement.
Wait, you're back in it?
Yeah, but then I sold again, so I'm not in it now.
Okay. So when'd you sell that? You bought puts at 703 on the retrace?
When they went to VWAP.
Damn!
On the green red, they never went above VWAP there.
Are you talking about at 945 or 951?
I bought it 951.
Wow! That is so impressive.
SPY's in a downward wedge, so I mean, I might buy calls if SPY starts going up.
Yeah, they'll go sideways.
Those people got burnt on Netflix earnings. Holy shit.
Yeah, dude, you see the premiums?
Yeah, dude, that's like when I bought it. The puts and the calls both lose all their money.
Exactly. The thing didn't move.
It's crazy, dude. Isn't that called like you can buy like an iron condor or something?
What do you mean? You mean sell one?
You can like, there's some option things, like a...
Oh, yeah, if it doesn't move anywhere.
Yeah, you make money.
Yeah, but you gotta sell the contracts, dude. So if they do well on earnings, you get fucked hard. I mean, like, I'm talking 10,000% loss hard.
Oh, because your loss is unlimited?
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah, that was my first ever options trade, the Netflix earnings. I remember calling you talking about like an M setup.
Wait, when?
Workout with Tesla.
Yeah.
Ooh. Man, that's solid right there. +1 limit.
Yeah, so they changed their holdings, but dude, I'm telling you, 95% of this is in futures contracts.
If that's the case, then maybe go with it. I
What?
might too.
Wait, what?
If that's the case, where are you seeing that they're all in futures?
Like the prospectus. Oh, did you send me a website?
Yeah, check that out. They merged with ENOC and ENLink merged. I don't know when.
ENLink isn't part of USO.
No, not USO, ENOC.
Oh, you're talking about ENLC?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's good. I'm in calls.
Okay, good. Yeah. Okay.
That's
That's easy to go check out. That's what I've been checking out.
They're up $58.
Who?
Amazon.
Oh yeah, Amazon. yeah. ENLC's transport. They're making money.
Yeah.
Do you think that's like a Head and Shoulders?
On who?
Amazon-y?
I'm thinking it's a channel. I might buy one of them.
It is a channel. Dude, those contracts are expensive as hell. That's like half your account.
Let me see.
Yo, check
They
out.
are, the puts for Friday are $5,000.
Oh, really? Okay.
$42. Yeah. You think they're gonna go down? I'll buy one. I'm gonna wait and see.
I mean, it
I'll
just...
I'll do the 2,380 puts.
The 2003... Oh, yeah. It's pretty nice. It's like Head and Shoulder versus channel. But it doesn't have a good base into it. So, I mean, I could see it. Either way. Dude, I'm looking at like a wedge on crude right now. And I think they're gonna break out of it.
Down?
Yeah. I mean, unless that thing bear flag or bull flags, but I don't think
I
so.
see it.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, that's some solid DD on ENLC. Thanks.
So what do you think about USO then?
Oh, I'm holding it. I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna increment a half. Stop it. Like, I don't know. It's where I got filled at. I got filled at 54.
Oh man. It's not that far off though.
It was 54 this morning, which is the weird thing.
Does Amazon normally do what the market does, like Tesla, or how does that work?
Yeah, they're a little bit delayed, and they do what market does. Yeah.
Okay. Wow, what a play on Tesla, dude. Damn.
Absolutely berserk. And you double tapped it. Yeah, down to 6.9.
What do you think of VOXX?
What'd they do?
They were at $1.80. Now they're at $5. And I'm wondering if they go to $7.
Wow.
There's been a lot of volume on them.
Dude, they make the TVs in the back seats of cars.
Yeah.
That's a hard business to be in right now, bro.
I agree with that.
But I see what you mean. They're right at the 200 MA on the 1 week.
You think short Tesla here?
I'm watching Amazon-y.
Oh, yeah, I'm about to get into it.
Not if this one closes green, dude. It'll go to 701. Alright, check this out. SPY goes down right here. USO go to 255. Or UCO. Or USO.
Sorry, repeat that.
USO at 255. SPY reverses. Dude, I don't know what I'm talking to you about. I can't even trade this contract today if I wanted to. My account will get frozen for PDT.
How many times that happened?
So I have 6. I have literally no choice but to hold this contract. I'm sorry, I can't do anything. Yeah, crude broke down out of the wedge, so it's good. It's good stuff.
Rude. You love looking at the crude charts.
Dude, Crude's been moving so much lately. Like, I want you to understand, like, Crude is done in the past month, what usually takes, like, 6 years. I mean, it's literally insane.
Wonder why the charts don't show it going negative a couple days ago.
It's the dates, right? So the ones that went negative are slash CLK and then CLK 20.
Okay. See, yeah.
Yeah. And those expired yesterday for final fulfillment.
From Chevy MP.
I'm thinking Spy gets to the top of this wedge. Amazon goes back to the shoulder height, and then I get inputs.
What are you looking at on a wedge for SPY?
Downward wedge.
A downward wedge. Starting at the open?
Or a decreasing wedge.
I mean, I could see a
Bottom's flat.
decreasing wedge, yeah.
I guess the downward wedge would be both trend lines are going down.
I don't know. I see what you're saying, though.
Tesla had the downward wedge because they broke out. You can see it was pretty tight.
Yeah, they're at 701, dude. Are you talking about shorting Tesla or Amazon? Because they're both right there.
Both of them.
Yeah. You guys think AMC will go bankrupt?
AMC.
Yeah, the movies.
Oh.
Are they in debt from spending all that money on like upgrading their like seats in the movies?
Yeah.
They make money, right? They don't make money, right?
They literally have $0 coming in the door.
Yeah, because I was like, how in the world did they just build all these new nice seats, recliners? You know,
Dude.
somebody's got to pay for that.
Yeah, well, the ticket price is tripled.
Yeah, but now they're at 0.
Yeah, exactly. Their book value right now is a $12. That's the weird part.
Wait, what?
Their book value is at 12.
Why?
Because that's how many assets they have.
Okay. Yeah, I guess the properties were something, right? But like, you know, they're not going to get stimulus from the government because they're entertainment.
You really think they won't get stimulus?
I doubt it. I doubt they will.
It's like free money, dude. They just approved tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of free money.
That's true, but it's for small businesses usually. Like you have to have you have to meet certain criteria. Like I mean, the criteria is like ridiculously huge. Like,
Dude, are you
the range
serious?
is huge, but I don't know.
Shake
AMC's
Shack
gonna
got
qualify.
funding.
Huh?
Shake Shack got it.
Shake Shack got
Yeah,
it.
yeah, dude, they
I
got
guess
free money.
They provide food though. Like, what do these guys provide? They don't do anything.
Dude, I'm pretty sure a bowling alley's gonna get it.
If that's the
What do you
case,
think of Amazon right here?
Dude, I like it. Buy puts. Stop loss at 23.91. Same thing with Tesla. They're right at VWAP. It'll bounce or it won't. I mean, I would watch SPY. Like, this candle on SPY has got to close red. If this candle on SPY closes green, it's fucked. On the 1 minute. Yeah, AMC's got a lot of debt. This is good. It's closing red. Like, that's good. That's really solid for puts right there. Those are both solid puts positions. You gotta wait like 6 seconds as long as it closes red. Or hammer. Red or hammer. Red or hammer. Green's bad. That's bad. That's some bad stuff right there. Yeah, I guess you're right. AMC might not get Fed relief. I guess they are kind of an entertainment business. I would have to
Maybe
look.
the bowling alley's getting it.
Well, let me look up. Let me see. Bowling. Yeah, dude. See, that thing reversed hard. It says they're staying open. which makes no sense. That is totally not safe.
Yeah, that's ridiculous. But if they can stay open, like the movie theaters aren't even open.
Yeah,
you
movie
know,
theaters
that's
aren't
the
open.
count.
So, Jake, are you in anything?
No.
Alright, good. Dude, I'd stay out. I think we traded most of the good setups. I was hoping BSGM would do a fatty L today. But, I guess it'll take a couple more days. The setup is still valid. As long as they stay over 6. Because they closed yesterday right where we wanted them to. Who was looking at Vox?
Me?
Yeah. So what are they... You're thinking these guys are going to go up? To
Yeah.
7?
Yeah.
I mean, how much are the calls? Are they 10 or 20x?
Let me check.
I mean, they would have to be like at least 10x for me to take that.
For what date?
For like the 15th or maybe in July?
40 cents.
40
For the
cents
$5.
for the $5? What about for like the 6?
They don't have that.
They don't have that? No shit. Is there an expiration that has that?
No.
No. I mean, I wouldn't check close to the money. I would have to do far OTM.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Because it's a lot more speculative, right? They have 750s.
Nah, that's pretty. I don't know if they can get there.
No, but you could sell those things for like 10 or 20 cents.
I guess we need to look more into their business because, like you said,
I would definitely, yeah, look more into the business. I mean, I'm looking at the finance page and it just says that, like, they make the TVs for the back of stuff. And I guess they also make some other consumer electronics. And dude, electronics is a hard business right now. Their book value is 16 though, so that's kind of the thing, is like that's a really good book value. Only 1.4% of their float is short. Yo, are you looking at puts right now? You see this?
for what?
Like everything?
Yeah, I thought it was a breakout, so I didn't get in.
Yeah, I thought it was a breakout too, but this shit's reversing. I don't know, that's a hard play. I wouldn't worry about it. Fruit's going down. I like it. I like it. I don't think there's much else to trade. I mean, unless there's like a good gainer. What do you think we would need to see for like... I mean, I just don't like think that these guys... I mean, like, their factories have got to be shut down, dude.
Yeah.
I mean, there's like no way their factories are open. Because it's not an essential business. Like, at all.
Unless they're making in China. China's starting things back up.
Yeah,
Not these big guys, but
Yeah, you're right.
If Amazon goes out here, I'm big pissed.
They go out? What do you mean? You mean they go down a bunch?
Yeah, on this channel.
Well, I mean, they could, like, do it, you know? But it's a hard setup, right? Because that's not a Head and Shoulders. It's really more like, I mean, you're just trading the channel breakout more than anything else.
Yeah, there's some strong breakouts channels.
Yeah, dude, if they break out of that channel, they'll go to, like, lower VWAP plus 6. SPY is going up, though, you know?
so the website, for whatever their website is worth, says that they're still open. So their factories are still open, still producing, still shipping.
No way, really?
Yeah, I'm surprised.
Who are
Yeah,
they
you're
shipping
right.
it
Looks like
to?
they're just- So
Looks
do
like they
some-
what?
They do, yeah, you're like the TVs are their main thing, and they do some other stuff like wearables. It looks like, and speakers, like all kinds of random stuff.
Yeah, that's, yeah. Hey, dude, I don't know what this company is, but I've got like 20 or 30 million dollars of ITUB being bought.
A Brazilian bank?
Yeah, a Brazilian bank.
It's listed on the New York Stock Exchange.
Dude, I have a guy in Brazil that
What?
works for me, and he says they have lines for like 3 blocks to the bank trying to get withdrawals.
Did somebody just bought that?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they did. It was at 413. I won't know till the end of the day, but I mean, dude, I'm talking like 20 million. I mean, this is a big trade. I mean, that's $100 million.
Oh man, I mean, you think that is ridiculous. You think they buy so they can sell at like 415 or something, or 430? I mean, huh? I mean, Brazil's just getting like that's the one that the president said coronavirus is like a hoax or something. Yeah.
Let me ask this guy if everything's still to shit for the banks or not. Holy shit! Oh my god! Okay. This guy that works for me in Brazil just sent me this message. He says, I need to launder the money that I've been earning with you with my bank.
Oh my gosh. That's hilarious.
He has to use Google Translate because he doesn't know English. And he actually Google translated make legal the money to launder the money.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna ask him if there's still a run on the banks. And if there's not, dude, I don't know. That's $100 million bet on some bank in the middle of Brazil, you said. I mean, that's a ballsy bet. Yeah.
Strongly.
Let me just double check the math just to make sure I'm looking at this right, because I see like 6 orders on the stock.
I mean, it looks like they're a huge bank, though. They must be like one of the bigger ones in Brazil.
Yeah, so I'm looking at, I guess, 76 million at 413. Oh, no, wait, there's another million. Wait. So it's about 80 million. 80 million. I mean, that's a really big bet. I mean, I know it's a bank and all. Their book value's at 350 and they're at 4. Yeah, it's going sideways. You got a symmetrical wedge on that. But, I don't know. It's a market play, dude. It's just, it's a hard play.
Yeah, SPY just went up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably call it quits, right?
Yeah. But I might also call it puts on Snappy.
What's the upside on them?
Snap 14.5 puts or 22 cents. I mean, the stock will probably go to like, 14.
I wonder how much
Yeah.
their calls are up today. Because was their volatility priced in though? Like,
I don't know if 27% was priced in.
yeah, they're up about 200%.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's
Pretty solid.
impressive.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna mess with these guys. There's not much. The 15 puts like a $0.50. So I'm just gonna leave it. Yeah, we'll see. With iTub. It could just be some
let me know.
banker selling a bunch. I don't know.
I mean, if they're, if the banks are alright, I mean, it's pretty solid. I could do September calls. Fix them early if I need to.
Right. Alright, I guess we'll see what happens.
Yeah. Cool. Alright. Cool. Peace out, guys.
Alright.
Straight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys. Have a great day.
Adios.
See ya. 54. Awesome. Alright. Sweet. Ooh. Alrighty. Well, I hope you guys had an awesome day. Hope you guys crushed it. Go out there and explode. And have fun. This is interesting stuff for sure. A lot of cool stuff going on. So we'll see kind of what happens. What is this? Oh, this is BSGM. BSGM didn't move that much this morning, so yeah, not much to say about it. So we'll give it a couple days, see what happens. I'm gonna leave this sell order on the 3 just because I think that's a pretty good price to get filled at, and I'm happy about that. And I think we'll be done for the day. So thank you guys so much, and have fun. Bye.